guys, and welcome back to No Bland Makeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, but apparently this month is gonna be just the World Cup. Doing a series of World Cup inspired makeup tutorials. Today is Serbia, as you can tell from the title, so let's get it on. By the way, this video today is sponsored by me, but we'll get into that a lot later. Don't mind my face, it does things, I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some red all over the lid and the crease. Why? Because. So for my challenge that I have self-imposed is that I want to keep the colors somewhat in the order that they are on in the flag. So in the case of the Serbian flag, they have red, blue, and then a white band. And then they have a coat of arms. So I wanted to kind of bring elements of the coat of arms into it, but mostly I wanted to keep the bands in the same order so you can tell this is a Serbian flag. So I'm going to start off by, like I said earlier, just applying red all over the lid and basically the top part of my eye. Now, as I mentioned before, the Serbian flag has a white on the bottom, so we're going to go ahead and take a white base, apply it on your waterline, also right under your lower lash line. You're gonna make this exorcism face. I would go with a brush next time because I kind of poked myself in the eye a couple times. But then I'm gonna set everything with some white eyeshadow as well. If you were wondering where the blue is going, don't worry, I got you. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some blue liner, again, like a good chunk of these videos. I don't have blue eyeliner. So what I did was I took some mixing medium, mixed it with some blue eyeshadow. I literally just scraped some blue eyeshadow onto a palette and then mixed it together. It might take a couple tries to get the proportions right. I still obviously do not have that right, but yeah, eventually you'll get it. Also, when you're doing your wing, if you're having trouble getting the tail just right, as far as getting it straight or anything, you can always take a business card and just use the flat surface there to get it a little more even. And then, to kind of tie in the coat of arms, I didn't want to draw an entire coat of arms on my eye because I don't have much space, but I did draw the dots to kind of represent the crown in the gold. So there's that. Then I applied some lashes. If you guys want a full video on how to do that with tips and tricks and stuff, I'll have it linked in the cards up above. Then, as is my usual style, I applied some mascara afterwards. Don't forget to really coat your bottom lashes so that way they stand out, especially because that white base has probably made them disappear. Since this look is a little bit red heavy, I decided to apply some blue liquid lipstick just to kind of bring a little bit more blue into it. You can do more of a neutral color if you want, that's totally cool. You know, because this technically is out of order, I guess. I mean, if I was going with flag colors, I'd probably have white on my lips, but that doesn't ever look good in the few times I've tried. But as I mentioned earlier, today's video is sponsored by yours truly. So if you guys want to support the channel, I've got a merch store with the link in the description. I have t-shirts and hoodies and other stuff. So if you guys are interested, like I said, in the links down below. But this is the final look, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. My eyes hurt. This was my 5th look for the day. But if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to see what comes out of my channel next, and let me know in the comments how far you think that Serbia is going to go in this World Cup. I'll see you guys in the next one.